Welcome to another John Roebuck Auctions trophy home located at 510 Lexington Manor Lane, Eads, Tennessee. I'm Carter Davis, speaking on behalf of auctioneer John Roebuck. As most of you know, John Roebuck has sold more trophy homes than most realtors. Perhaps this one may be our number one of all. This choice location is nestled in the exclusive enclave at the Sparkle Creek gated community of Eads, Tennessee. Situated on 5.9 acres of absolutely outstanding, gorgeous landscaping, this mansion was built by none other than the renowned builder Hank Hill Builders, LLC. With Hank being in charge, there's no shortage of amenities and luxury features. As you enter the gates, you will be immediately captivated by the gorgeous landscaping and design surrounding this custom-built home. Be sure to take notice of the custom pool and pool house, which seats several hundred for your parties, family gatherings, and weddings. Built by none other than Brewer Pools Design, the pool house is a home of its own, featuring a full kitchen, 2 bathrooms with steam showers, and a pool house apartment with 2 bedrooms, full kitchen, full bathroom, and a laundry room. While you enjoy this private, quiet setting with the country feel, you are close to schools, shopping, churches, hospitals. Only 5 minutes from Briarcrest School and only 5 minutes from St. George's. This property has so many unique features you must see our website to view the inside wall-to-wall tour of this home. Now let me give you some details. Many times buyers' first question is, why an auction? The answer is, many high-profile homeowners choose the auction method of selling for their personal convenience and their lifestyle, as it is in this case. As a matter of fact, we're offering online bidding as well as on-site bidding, which will take place May 23rd at 6:37 p.m. Central Time at the pool. Now, if you'd like to make a pre-auction offer, you're encouraged to do so. And as always, the seller has the right to accept a bid prior to the auction date. And note this, the seller may have an interest in selling it fully furnished. Talk to Mr. Roebuck about that. From the Roebuck Auction team, we appreciate your time watching this video, and we hope it's been helpful for you. Let us know if we can assist you in any way. Don't hesitate to call John at 901-ROEBUCK. That's 763-2825. Good luck and God bless. We bid you well.